Hi, welcome. Now we'll see the master instrument updation in the system. See, for the master instrumentation, we will go at the master instruments. Here our manual master instrument has already there or may not be there. Now I have a one master instrument called, for example, this is field meteorology wave. Right? So what I will do, master instrument we will update in the three sections. The first section is the basic entry of the masters, that is make, model, serial number, ID number. So what I will do is I will select the lab, I will select the department, this is a thermal. Now I will give the name field meteorology well. Then some identification number is there of my lab. I have identification numbers, example SY oblique master oblique thermal oblique 001. Then I make. Now we'll go on the report. There is a given make. This is a fluke 9143. Now 9143 is my fluke. This is my make is fluke. Model number is 9143. There is some serial number. Serial number is B13406. B13046. Then the type of master is primary or secondary. Thermal expansion coefficient, it is not applicable as far as this is electrical and thermal masters. It is applicable for the, for example, slip gauge set. It is a steel, material of steel, then 1155 is applicable. Then this master is assigned for the both calibrations, and here also for the both calibrations, that is NABL, non-NABL, lab and site. And I have created. So this is my first section is closed and done. Now in future in our system we do not have any need to update this information at least, because it is not going to change at all in the life of this particular master instrument. Now this master instrument have valid calibration certificate. This is our second section, so I will add report from here in the masters. Now this is my report. Now I will go here, I will select. Now what I need, certificate number, so I will collect it from here. So example 151645. 151645. This is my certificate number. Then calibration date. Calibration date is 22nd 2016. So I will go here and Feb 22nd for Feb, and due date is 22nd 2017. So I will select 2017. Then what is my temperature? This is our temperature. While the calibration of this particular master at a third party lab, example, this is calibrated from the Ethical Solutions, and the ambient temperature while the calibration is 25 degree plus minus 2.5. So I will put 25 degree calibration from Ethical Solutions Private Limited. Temperature correction is not applicable. It is not given on the report. It is applicable in some another masters like Proving Ring, in your certain side machines. In that case we will add it, or else we will keep blank. Then I will save and update. This is my another section second of the masters. In future we do not have need to update this report or edit this report even after calibration of, after due of this calibration report. We will add new report. Say example, the new report number is 123. I have calibration done on this date 26th Feb, right? So I will go on 26th Feb, right? And on 17th, let me select this date, 27th Feb to maybe it may be 18 or 14, right? Whatever the date. And while that calibration 24 is my temperature, I have calibrated from ETDC Pune. I can calibrate from some another lab also. So this way master instruments history card will be start to prepare in the system. So this is my first report which is valid till 26th Feb. This is my another report which is valid from 27th to 28th Feb. So I will not edit it. Right. Now the third section of the master instrument is to update master's detail, which is required for us as a for the uncertainty calculations for the UC calibration. Now if you see, this is my 33 degree to 350 degree. This is my master's range and this is my respectively uncertainty. Now here we will add this report. For example, add test points. Then the screen will open. You can see identification number, master's name, make, model, serial number. This is the valid duration of this particular certificate. This is my calibrated from and which is the department. Now range type is not applicable. Now I will select as a source because it is as far as this is a source instrument. If it is then source instrument, then I will select the source. Then my first point is 33 degree and the parameter is temperature. Obviously it is for the temperature. This master, if I am using the temperature calibration, then I will select temperature. Then a range. Now here we do not have range, but we need to create the range of these test points. Right. So this is the first test point is 33 degree and 1.5 is uncertainty. So what I will do, I will take a 33 to 33.99 degrees centigrade. Then frequency is not applicable, it is not given. Then resolution of master. Here this is the resolution, UC resolution, but still I will refer to, I would like to be referred the manual of this instrument, which is given by the manufacturer. So I will close. This is the manufacturer manual of 9143. The field metrology then 9143. Display accuracy is 0.2% and the resolution of UC is 0.01 degree centigrade. Then I will go on the our application. I will take a 0.1 degree centigrade. Now accuracy, what is the manual which is given at the manual, that I will fill it here, 0.2 degree for the full range. Then 0.2 degree centigrade. Fluor is not applicable, it is applicable as far as electrical masters, plus minus. Uncertainty is 1 point. Now I will refer the report now for the uncertainty. Expanded uncertainty is 0.2. So here 1.5 degree centigrade. And I will update the same. Now take an example of some another points. That is 100 degree centigrade. For the 100 degree centigrade, what I will do, again I will select the temperature, the source, temperature. Now the last was 33.99. So what I will do, I will take a 34 to next point is 100 degree. Right. 34 to 100 degree centigrade. Frequency is not applicable. Resolution 0.01 degree centigrade we see last recently now. Then accuracy is 0.2 degree centigrade. Then uncertainty is 1.5 degree centigrade. And this is a coverage factor, that is a 2 is given on the report. If you see, it is given at 2 to 2. Right? So this another range has added in the master's instrument. This way we can add up the masters. Some another cases also are there. Say example. Now I will show you one more example of the master instrument. If it is a different scenario, this is 250 to 300. Right? In that case, what we will do, we will create the range masters. I will show you one example. I go the master instruments. I have created for the electrical multi function calibrator, right? Multifunction calibrator. Then the identification number is SY 02. Then as example, this is a flute 9100 serial number, primary master. I have selected. I have added the master. I will go to the report. Then I will add the report number, calibration form, date, due date is what the temperature plus minus, calibration take done from EQDC, Gujarat. Correction is not applicable as far as, so I will keep blank. I added the certificate. I went to the test point. Now there is some ranges. Say example, I will create one example for you. My master instrument is calibrated at different range. So example, I will show you 0 to 10 volt is one range, 0 to 100 volt is one range, right? Now I have calibrated master 1 millivolt, 100 millivolt at 10 millivolt. For again, I have calibrated master. This is for the AC, just AC voltage. AC voltage 1 millivolt. Again, I have selected 1 millivolt, 10 millivolt, 100 millivolt. Then add. There is a. This is my test point. This is my range, master's range, right? Then this is my frequency. This is calibrated at, for example, 10 hertz. This is not working at 10 hertz. Okay. This is also same. This is not at 10 hertz. This is at 10 kilohertz. So what I will do, this is, and respective uncertainty is example 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, and accuracy is 0.1 percentage RDG plus minus. This is floor, plus minus is given always. RDG 0.01 for the full range. This is the millivolt. For this uncertainty, accuracy may be different, 0.2 degree to 0.2 percentage RDG is my accuracy. Now if you see, this is a parameter and scenario, and K factor he has given to 2.0, 1.96, 2.31, 2.00. This is my coverage factor. Now how will I add up this table in my system? I will create, this is my range, two ranges are required, so I will create the range parameter AC voltage, then 0 to 10 volt. I have created one. Then another is required, 0 to 100 volt. 0 to 100 volt. I have created two ranges for this master. So I can select now range, right? 0 to 10 volt for this range as a source. This is my parameter, AC voltage. What is my frequency? What is my range? 1 millivolt. So 1 to 1.99 millivolt. Frequency is at 10 hertz. At 10 hertz. Now by mistake I have entered and it is saved. Now I will update it again because it is not saved properly. So this is 10 hertz. Let me open this instrument. The 10 hertz, 10 to 10 hertz, 1.9, 1 to 1.9 millivolt. Frequency is at 10 hertz to 10 hertz. The master's resolution is 0.01 degree centigrade. I have updated 0.01 degree centigrade. Accuracy is I will show. We will take it from the manual. Say example 0.1% FSD or DG. Floor is plus minus not applicable. Uncertainty is example 1.23 degree centigrade. And forward factor is 2. So I selected degree centigrade. Tolerance is not applicable. Error is not required. K value is 2. Uniformity stability. Uniformity stability we will consider in the bath or sources of temperatures. Average value we will consider in the UTM CTM. Gravity we will consider at the deadweight tester. Density is will be considered at the finding of the master of the weighing balance, mass. Then eccentricity is applicable for the weighing balance. And I will update the same, which is not required for me. I will keep it blank. And then I will say update. Once I click on the save and update, if you see, then another parameter has added, that is scope. This way we will fill the masters. Now say example, I have this master previously. Now I went. Now I want to update the new master. Right. So for this I have 2 certificates. So I add a response. I can copy the old certificate. For example, I selected this instrument. I come to know these are the selected certificate. So I just taken this and copied the same. So if I clicked on this, these 2 ranges will become a repeat. Because I don't want to fill this master information again, because all ranges and points are same, only uncertainty is different. So what I will do, I will update the same and I will match, or else I can understand, or I can change the details. Right. Copy old certificates. Arrange master. This is applicable for the employment. Arrange master. Arrange master. I can create the multiple ranges I shown you. This is the complete all about the master information updations. This way you can update the masters in the system.